Hello, here's the DJI Spark I have, and here's the charger. And the problem is this connector. I'll plug it in, and sometimes it works pretty good, but then, like right now, I just plugged it in and it's not connecting at all, and I'll wiggle it around and it'll connect, but sometimes if I let go or it moves, it just turns off. So it's something about this connector right here. There's something wrong with that. So that looks pretty normal, but something is loose. And this looks pretty normal, but something is loose. And I don't know if it's inside the charging container or if it's something on the outside, but I can tell you that when I plug this in, it just feels very loose. It doesn't feel snug at all. So like right there, it's connecting, but it's moving around a lot. And then if I let it down, it comes undone. And I can push it in some more, but it's very inconsistent, you know. So it just makes it very tedious. Like if something moves, it quits charging. So I don't know what to do. I'm not certain what the wrong part is. So see, it'll sometimes connect and then it'll just fall out. It's just not snug enough. I think that's the problem. So it's totally plugged in, but if something moves, even in the slightest, it goes out. And I can push it in and wiggle it to make it connect, but it's got a problem.